Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 320i M Sport Plus Edition in David Grey. We have black kidney grills as well as black M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear diffuser. We also have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in black with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have black wing mirrors as well as black window trim, privacy glass. We also have shark fin antenna. There's a quick look of the alloy wheels. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush with rear bumper and rear diffuser. Let's quick look at that rear reversing camera and the rear boot spoiler. It's really just make this car stand out. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and truly does look superb from every angle. There's a quick look at one of those superb 19-inch alloy wheels. If we go to the rear of the car, we have full Dakota leather throughout with the M Sport stitching in each seat belt. We also have ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders. We also have the climate control in the rear. And on the door we have electric windows with leather trim on there as well. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat. We have the seat belt again with the M Sport stitching just in there. We also have electric windows, electric heated power folding mirrors and integrated speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down here we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now this vehicle has done just over 10,100 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. So we have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So we do have auto wipers. We can also change through the settings on the screen. We have satellite navigation in front of you. We also have those different settings on the right hand side, which you can flick through. We do have satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity. Go across, we have radio, Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring and mobile devices. We also have phone connectivity, as well. Pop car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera and the front and rear parking sensors just there as well. We do have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. You can also go into individual just there as well. We also have Adaptive. Just down here we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. We also have 2 heated front seats, so if it's cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Down here we have 12-volt connectivity, as well as 2 nice sized cup holders with USB connectivity and a bit of storage in there as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Traction control on and off, parking sensors, as well as stop and start on and off. Then we have the start engine button just there as well as your drive mode select, electric handbrake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. Now we do have the BMW individual trim just on the dashboard there, which does look superb. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320i M Sport Plus Edition. Now the purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should. And as you can see, modified with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. We're taking over the paddle shift now, so push down mid 7th, 6th, 5th, back up to 6th, back into 6th, and into 8th, and then we're going to let the car take over. We do have lane assist, so if you start veering off to the left or to the right, the car will then bring you back into the middle of the road. So this is a very safe car. Now the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. We do have the cruise control and speed limiter on the multifunction steering wheel. So to activate, simply press the dial in the centre, push, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. To adjust it, there's a little toggle on the left hand side. Push up very slightly and it'll adjust by 1. Push up until you feel it click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, either press the brake or just tap it again and it'll cancel. Now we do have satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity, phone connectivity. As well, you have the full Dakota leather front seats, which are very comfortable. So you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get our feet fresh. as well. They're heated, so for those cold mornings does really make all the difference. Our ARS car sales, we've been doing deliveries past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, we felt like quite well prepared. Beforehand, we did nationwide next day delivery. Now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitize our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. Now we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm going up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right. I'm going to be before an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse and just show you the brakes work as they should, and so does the rear reversing camera, so that's the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, I'm going to go hard in the brakes. Now, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and also no unwanted knocks or bangs. And again, straight back into drive, no issues whatsoever. If you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this video, there hasn't been any. We do accept part exchanges, so feel free to get in contact with the office and they'll be able to discuss that further with you. As well, if you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, as we can do a FaceTime video where we walk around the car, show you bits that we may have missed, and also answer questions we may not have answered. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.